Happy Wednesday, everybody. Okay, so I'm in the workshop today, and Kaz said, can you take a little video of the workshop? And I thought, oh, okay, yeah, because nobody sees the nitty gritty, but I just spotted this. Look at this. I just, look. Oh, everybody's got one of those. Well, if you don't, you should have. Anyway, so I'm just going to do a little pan round of the workshop, just so you can see a little bit of behind the scenes of the tools required for us to refurbish network equipment. And as you can see, look, see these? So under here, we've got lots of different size anti-static bags, and these are for SFPs. And we've got a little heat sealer, see? And that will seal that there. And we can also use that for this. Sorry, I nicknamed this the elephant condom. So basically what this is, this sleeve here is for, I don't think I've got any here. I've got some long camera bars, Cisco telepresence camera bars, and once Colin's cleaned them, we need to prevent any prevent them from getting dirty again. So we'll put this elephant's condom on them, and then seal each end, and just so that when it arrives with a customer, it looks as good as new. But anyway, so here we have. This is the accessories rack wall, and we've got things like SFP blanks, we've got Catalyst 3000 and 6000 rack mount screws, we've got old 2900 rack mount screws, we have got screws for absolutely everything, door to cards, look, AP mount screws, black screws for some of the other brands, and yeah. So what else have we got here? We've got oh, I saw up there. Oh yeah, Colin's blanks. He was messing around trying to 3D print things, and these, you may have seen these on the back of devices. A lot of switches when they come out of come from site. These little cable grippers, securing mounts, they get thrown away, or they get pulled out with the cable when this gets yanked out of the back of the switch. So we've got different sizes of those. We replace those. What have we got there? I can't see in there, but you can. Miscellaneous dust caps. Yeah, we've got basically, rivets as well. Because sometimes we have to if something comes in that's been dented, we'll need to de-rivet the device and then put a new one in there, and we try for ages to get the right one. But anyway, just a little workshop video to see what's going on behind the scenes. Anyway, must go. See you later. Bye.